Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can save photos on Messenger automatically. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Messenger app. So once you open your Messenger app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the hamburger like icon and tap on the settings option. So once you do this, you need to scroll down and tap on photos and media. So here all you need to do is simply enable the option of save on capture. So once you turn this option on, every photos and videos that have been sent to you on your Messenger will get directly saved to your gallery. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.